स्वागत है दोस्तों। Karl Benz, the founder of Mercedes Benz, had a dream. To convert the animal-powered vehicles into motorized ones. He worked tirelessly for 16-17 years, and after multiple innovations, finally the vehicle was ready. Karl thought people will line up to buy it, but unfortunately there was no demand. When he spoke to his potential customers, they shared two reasons. First, it's not reliable for long distances. Number two, maneuvering a motorized vehicle is difficult. He tried convincing, but to no avail. When Karl was on the verge of breakdown, a miracle happened. His wife Bertha, one day along with both of his sons, traveled for 105 kilometers in 12 hours. The entire city saw it, and next day newspaper headlines said, "If Bertha can do it, why can't you do it?" Both the myths were broken, and people actually started lining up to buy Karl Benz vehicles. That was the first success of Mercedes Benz. Friends, to be successful, you just need one person in this entire world who believes in you unconditionally.